Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note 11 Plus, the world's first in-display front camera. .9 inches AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 120Hz touch sensing, HDR10 Plus, and Corning Gorilla Glass 6. (108 megapixel penta camera with 8 megapixel dedicated macro lens. (32 megapixel f2.0 mode in display front camera. IP68 dusting waterproof up to 4 meters for 30 minutes. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Lithium-ion 5200 mAh battery with fast battery charging at 55 watts. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor and GPU Exynos 640. (8 and 12GB RAM, 128GB to up to 1TB storage option. Subscribe to get more updates.